Hey, what's up everybody? So welcome to back another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you iPhone blank screen. So as you can see, my iPhone is turned on but showing blank screen. And how can you fix this? Just simple method. So guys, just put the cable on your phone. So guys, just put the cable on your phone and click on cancel button. So guys, here's the 3U tool. Open the 3U tool button. So here's guys, just iPhone connected to recovery mode. So guys, just simply click on exit recovery mode. So guys, here's, as you can see, successfully exit to recover mode and iPhone turning on. So guys, here's the phone is on. Just enter your password and use your phone right here. So guys, thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more videos.